chamber. Sorry. See how to check torque. This valve water chamber torque. Opposite of 0 put the torque. This bolt also now want to again remove because put the lock tight. See, now put the lock tight, unbolt, pull the water chamber. Make it complete. All bolt one more time, check serially. Now I want to O inside area check and pull the oil. Now I want to valve inside, bottom part inside, put the sliding piston. Sliding piston have to number, see the number. And put the sliding piston, how to put sliding piston, check, see the sliding piston sitting or not sitting, I check already. Okay.